How to change your Windows folder location back to its default. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change back your Windows documents location back to their original. Now, if you are a OneDrive user, this video will be for you. So if you want to just stop using OneDrive and change your device's folders location back to their original one that is on the local disk, so you can go here, go to users, and go to any one of your folders, and you will see that you have your everything here, like your documents, downloads, and so much more. So if you want to change your location back here, so here just go to documents, so go to your users, open up a user, go to documents, and after you're on your documents, just right click on here, tap on show more properties, go to properties, and here you will need to go to location. So if you notice that it says here OneDrive, this means that everything that you do will go get saved in your OneDrive. So you will need to make sure that you change it back. So to change this back, you can simply copy this your local drive's location and paste right here, and then tap on apply and then hit OK. And that is basically how you change the location, and now everything will get started getting saved on your local disk. And that is basically all for this video. It's a really simple one. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.